Yo, it's Tyrone. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to open up a bank account through Regions, get approved for a credit card, get a loan through Regions. So pretty much you can do this, under your social, and you can do this under a CPN. So if you guys want to do this under a CPN number, the best thing you can do is to make sure you have a credit score and public records. Okay. If you guys don't have public records straight, you can't get into Regions. Okay. Because you're not in the system, don't know who you are, so, make sure you guys do that before you go ahead and apply to Regions. And for the credit score, obviously you need to apply for trade lines. So let's go over Regions. All right. So they do offer business bank accounts, business loans, right? Personal loans, checkings, credit cards. So these are all the credit cards, right? So they can literally, get you approved up to 30K, 50K, depending on your credit score. And this is taking a while to load. So I'm trying to go back for a bit. Is a Regions, you can do, everything in Regions. All right. So I'm going to show you guys, what you can do to get approved for a credit card or even a loan, line of credit. So they have a secured loan where you guys deposit, your money. And once you pay it back, it'll become a unsecured loan, and they can give you, up to 50K for the unsecured, right? So if you guys have a local branch, you guys can just go in person and talk to them or even call them. But they do have installment loans, up to 300K. So this helps as a credit builder as well. Okay. Personal lines of credit. So they pretty much have everything you need, honestly. The one thing they don't offer, I think, is, auto loans, but they do have home loans. So you could get, a mortgage loan too. They can give you, up to a few $1 million, depending on your income. So two sites I recommend: Trade Line Association, right? So you guys can actually open a bank under a CPN package. So any of these will work, and then you guys could boost your credit score up in order to get proof for the credit cards, the loans. So the higher the package is, the better, honestly. Okay. And these report in 21 days, right? And then it shows you how to purchase, the contact information below, right? And then another site I recommend is Tradeline Loans. So you guys can use any of these CPNs. So the cheapest, CPN package they have is the beta package. This one you could get approved for up to 20K in loans. But this one is the potential funding, so it's not guaranteed. But 60K in credit cards, so you could get 6 credit cards with 10K or even 10 credit cards of 5K, right? So basically the higher the package, the higher you get approved for. So this package right here, the Omega package, 250K in loans, 300K in credit cards. So that's actually, pretty crazy for the price. And then they have credit builders, right? And these credit builders are actually loans, right? So once you provide the account number to the company email, they will deposit the loan and it will treat as a credit builder. And the monthly payment for something like this, a 10K chime builder, will be around $400 every month for 25 months, right? So you gotta pay it really fast, okay? I think the most they have is up to 50K, I'm not sure. But you guys can check out the credit builders, business loans, right? All the trade lines, these will definitely help you get approved. And this report within a week, by the way, same with the primary trade lines. Okay. So these are also great. So you guys can just check out, Trade on Loans and the emails right here. Okay. And to do a credit repair, you guys need credit repair. But the best thing to have is the credit bureau loans. Okay. But definitely check out Trade Association. So if you guys get a primary trade line reported or CPN, definitely you guys can open a bank with Regions, or you guys can just, apply, for a few credit cards, apply for their, loans, home loans, lines of credit. But they do offer Zelle too. So if you guys want to bank with them, they have a Zelle account. and a savings account, right? But you guys can open up multiple multiple checking accounts. So you could open up with like 5 accounts, right? So yeah, same thing with American Express as well. If you guys bank with American Express or want to, definitely try out their credit cards, but you would need several trade lines to get approved, or just use a CPN package, like this one, the Alpha, right? Get this package, apply for the credit card, get approved, and you will get it shipped to your address. Okay. So that'll be pretty much it, guys. There's the sites in the description. Subscribe if you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up.